Hey guys, so we're here at Xavier Avila Architects. They're in charge of our project renovations here in the new house we just purchased in Sao Mateus, Pico. They also did our glamping work, all the architectural blueprints and so forth, and the whole project. They're great. And we've been here for about, as you can see behind me there, a couple hours, maybe 3. There's been a few disagreements between Laura and I, but we're friends again. Joanna here, she's designing everything for us. She really, she's the neutral force. Anyways, it's coming out amazingly. So we'll share some of the what we're thinking of doing to the property. It's changed. We're still going to keep the characteristics of the house, obviously, the rustic feel to it, adding a few modern touches, protecting the house a little bit better, upgrading it. But this is the process, and this is one thing I could tell everyone, is to take your time and do all this planning properly. This way you get the more accurate costing. And yeah, so this is an important part to, and I'm just looking behind there, and that's looking really nice. Wow. Oh, Laura, you busy?
Yes.
How's it looking?
Busy.
It's good?
I'm not busy. Joanna's busy.
Anyways, so we highly recommend these guys. They're amazing, and hopefully you enjoyed the video of the renovation ideas.
Hi guys, so we're back at the house and we want to take you guys through just to give you an idea of our renovation plans.
Yeah, we were at already a few times with our architect, which you'll see some of the 3D renderings, just so you can see what our ideas are. We have a good plan. It's just a matter if we can get, we can do it all at once, But today, we're going to take you basically through the rooms, kind of talk a little bit about it, and also the exterior. And hopefully you'll get a really good idea of what we would like to do. I mean, transformation that we'll be doing here.
Yeah, just so you guys know, we're actually January 16th. And the weather is gorgeous. We've had a few days of rain, and it's so nice to be out in the sunshine and the warmth.
Yeah, I mean, it's incredible. I think, Laura, we should put some B-roll where we, back and forth here in January. We've had a lot of these type of days. Obviously, we have rain, and just the other day it rained quite a bit, and then it clears up, and sometimes it stays cloudy all day. But the temperature has been, it's really, I'm so surprised with that. I mean, because I know sometimes it could get down to 12, 10, but it's been mostly around 16, 17 quite a bit so far in January, and I think that's pretty cool.
As you see today, I'm not wearing a jacket.
Yeah, so I'm going to pan this way a little bit so you can just see the ocean today, just so you can get it better. So you obviously can see how sunny it is, and hopefully you could also see the ocean there. All right, let's get you into the renovations.
Starting with the small balcony, we're going to put a little pergola.
Yes, a slight a pergola just to give it some shade if you need it, but I think it needs some protection there.
Yeah, and we are going to replace all the windows because they are in not very good shape. And also we're going to replace the door down here going into the bottom.
and the door at the small balcony.
And the small balcony. And this is the larger balcony, and we're gonna do an overhang here as well.
Yeah, so it's more of a large pergola using those really big beams, and we'll have some tile over it, and I think it'll add some protection, for some rainy days and wind. And I could definitely visualize sitting up there, having a cup of coffee or having lunch or sunset glass of wine. I think it's going to be, this is a bit of a transformation, but we're not really touching the house itself. We're just kind of really building up living space outside. We like to hang out outside, and with this kind of view, I think we're going to be doing that probably 80% of the time.
Yeah.
Might even sleep out there. Okay.
Over here, that small little building that we showed you before that we thought we'd turn into a laundry room, we're actually going to take that down because we feel that it's a little bit of an eyesore. And we want to see more of the house, and we want to see more of the beautiful lava rock house.
Yeah, we can use this maybe as more for parking.
Yes. Now we're going to take you guys around the back and kind of show you what we're going to do.
Yeah. Then we'll get into more of the landscaping, but we are definitely keeping these two trees here. And if you can see, this one here is already got these beautiful flowers on it. Yeah, so just thought of mentioning that.
But you can see, look at all these little buds here.
Yeah, it's incredible. This is going to be like
Can you see these?
Crazy. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
This is going to be full of flowers soon.
And
I'm pretty sure that this is hibiscus. I know Carlos had mentioned that I knew what this tree was, but I don't know if someone can tell us in the comments if we're not correct about that.
And the roses are still, we're still deciding. Maybe we'll keep one, but I still say they're beautiful. Look at this. Anyway, so let's get on with the renovations.
So we're on top of the porch now. So this wall here, we're going to keep it low. Maybe bring it up one brick up. Because we want to keep the view. And then this wall here, we're going to bring up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll probably bring it up maybe about 5 feet.
Another 5 blocks, maybe.
Yeah,
5
blocks.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this way we're going into the back. And right here where you see the rock starting, we're going to put a gate here. Maybe, Carlos, you could show.
Okay, so we're going to put a gate here, so we'll probably have to do a bit of a wall, just a small wall coming out, and then a nice wood gate of sorts, hopefully, and then where we come out to the back. So we'll have some privacy back here, and then our backyard starts.
Yeah, and originally we were going to put the barbecue here, so this would be a real wood burning barbecue, but then we decided we're going to have the gate here, so we might actually do some plants, like they call that a living wall, I believe. So right here, I think we're going to put the barbecue right here.
And it's close to the back.
Yeah, so back here is where we're going to have the back deck. As you see where those 2 windows are, we're going to put sliding glass doors so that you can come out onto the deck in the back.
A large one.
Yes, a large one. Yeah.
And it'll bring a lot of light into the house. We're also going to be putting a door there. Yeah.
So that can come right out onto the deck.
Yeah.
So the plans for the kitchen. So as you can see where the cupboards are, this is where we want to put a window just to add a little bit more light. And we're going to put the stove here. We're going to do an electric stove because when you are doing rentals here, they do require that the stoves are electric, not gas. We are going to keep the gas just in case we ever want to change it back or have a gas barbecue or what have you.
Just to add to the electrical, it's only required if you have the open concept. If we were to keep the kitchen with the door, then you wouldn't. But we're opening it up, so that's why we need electric in here.
Yeah. So because we are opening up this wall here and the second wall in. Okay. So as you saw in the rendering, we've got the open space here. We're taking this wall out as well, and in the middle here, we're going to have the wood stove. And this wall we're going to keep because this wall is going to be the bedroom that we're going to make into a bedroom. And the ceiling, again, will be open here. but it's going to stop at this wall going into the bedroom.
Yeah, and also we're gonna put a barn door. That's the idea.
As you can see, this is a solid rock wall. So this wall we can't take down. We could, but it would take a lot of time and a lot of labor. And I just love the old stone, so I suggested taking the white off and exposing the natural lava rock. And I think it'll be absolutely beautiful. You can see it in the renders.
Also adding that this used to be where the house ended. This was the back of the house. This is the original wall. Then they've added where you see the hall here,
yeah,
and the other room in the bathroom. This was all added from the original. So by exposing this is an amazing idea. I think it'll just add so much character and rusticness to it.
I said I would actually chip it away myself.
Months of work.
That would be a lot of work.
Lots of injuries there. So what we're going to do here is a great idea. We thought of putting first maybe two sliding doors. But the more, Laura even said maybe we open it all up. Even the construction guy said, look, just open it, go from this window to this window and just open it up. 4 sliding doors, walks out into the deck. What that does, obviously visually it's nice. The function of it is great. I think it's just going to look amazing.
Okay, so we're in what was the living room that we're going to turn into a bedroom. And we had mentioned in the other videos that we're going to be removing these stairs because they are a bit of a liability. They're very steep, so we're going to take that out. We're going to put the bed right here, and then you'll have this as a full glass door. So you'll have a nice view of the ocean. And we're going to have the barn door, like we showed you on the other side. The barn door will be here. So if you have the fire on, you can see it from the bedroom.
Yeah, I think it's perfect because if you have, let's say, 2 couples staying here, and you always have that privacy of the bedrooms. But let's say it's just a couple, you could open it all up, keep it open. It just gives you a little bit of flexibility.
So now we're in the bathroom. We're going to make this into a walk-in shower. There's not too much that we have to do here. We're going to remove this sink. So the sink's going to be on this side with the toilet. We are getting rid of the bidet. We don't need that. And yeah, pretty simple. It's going to be neutral colors, as you can see in the rendering. So I think it'll be very, very beautiful. Okay, so this is what used to be the dining room, guys. So this is going to be turned into a bedroom. I'll show you, obviously, in the rendering. And you have
It's a nice window here.
Window, nice view.
See if the goats are saying hello today.
No,
As you can
no
see
goats
the
today.
view through the window here. Lots of light.
So we showed you in the back where the deck is going to be. And so we thought that it would be nice to put the door here.
Yeah, I think this should just add, again, this is one of the more down on the list, but if we can do it and it won't be too expensive, I think it would add a lot to the overall modernization of this house. And
it's really funny.
that'd be nice. Look at that.
I can smell fire.
I can smell
firewood right
Love that
now.
smell, yes.
I love that smell.
All right.
Now we're going to go downstairs very carefully.
It's like going down on a boat. It's like a sailboat.
Yeah, that's what it is. Here we go. What did you do?
Yep, I knew it.
What'd you do?
I just did a little.
Accident prone. Let me see your finger.
Just a little boo-boo.
Let me see. A little boo-boo. Okay, so downstairs. We're going to make the downstairs a laundry room.
Water heater, the washer, the dryer in here.
In here. And then this other room, we're going to keep it as storage
Can't
for
really
now.
Yeah, I can't really.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, so here, the last thing we're going to talk about is the insulation, right? I think this is extremely important to keep wind out, keep rain out.
And
dust,
humidity.
Which then keeps humidity out. So this is, I think, one of the things we could do. And I told them this is a priority to do this before doing anything new, you know. So I think that's very important. I'll show you a little bit what it looks like up here. It's kind of interesting. There we go, guys. So this is right at the ceiling. So this is the part where they extend it. Right, it goes this way. Can't see it. Maybe if I point my flashlight that way, you'll be able to see it. So this is where it ends, where that dining room, which will be turned into a bedroom, is. And then this is the long part. So there's another long part, like which you can't see from here because it's blocked, but goes all the way to the kitchen, but it's on the other side. You can't really see it, but the guys looked up here, and this will looks pretty good. And this has been open for a while it's been raining, and there's nothing coming through here. See some of the piping here where they use for the electricity. So it's all cool, very cool.
We just came out of our architect's office and met with the designer Joanna and with John.
Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. We also have the costing, which we haven't even looked over. We'll do that later today. And
I'm a little scared about that.
Yeah, we'll go over it, and then we'll share that with you on maybe the next video or one of the future videos after we kind of analyze everything. I think that's the best way to do it. So we would, if you liked this video, please, we'd appreciate if you can like it, and if you want to share it, that'll be great. And don't forget the comments. All right, guys?
See you guys.
See ya. Thank you.